Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I have like half a battery left, so I have to do this quick because all my other batteries are dead because I just don't have my shit together right now. First question, hey, did I miss an update on this, or is Poshmark trying to roll out something like Mercari for offer suggestions? It didn't pop up on a $15 item, but did on this $39 one. I typically shop from my computer, but wanted to know, have you seen this? And they sent me a screenshot, if I can, what? Oh, took a screenshot of the message. I'm trying to tap the, guys, is it Friday yet? It's not, it's friggin' Thursday, but I think tomorrow's gonna be a snow day, so. Okay, so anyway, hold on, what? I gotta go to Instagram. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so not prepared. This is what she showed me. This will pop up when you want to make an offer on something, and this is fairly new. I think it's within the last, why is the sun out? It was supposed to rain today. I mean, I'm not mad about it, but I don't know. So anyway, this pops up when you go to make an offer on something on Poshmark. Same with Mercari. It just shows you what 5, 10, and 15% off would be. But yeah, this came out, I want to say like 6-ish months ago, or maybe I'm just totally guessing on that. It's been around for a little while. So yeah, so they're trying to be like Mercari, I think. Yes, to answer your question, yes. Guys, this video is gonna be a struggle, I'm sorry. Next question, how often do you recommend sourcing? So I don't like when I get these types of questions because everyone's business is different. I can only tell you what works for me. I can't tell you what's gonna work for you because I don't know like your schedule. I don't know if you're part-time, full-time. I don't know if you're able to only go sourcing once a week or you can go every day. I don't know. I can just tell you what I do. So I right now only go sourcing once a week. I am trying to change that. I do want to go at least twice a week, maybe 3 times a week. But yeah, it's tough with the kids in school because I'm literally like a friggin' taxi all day long when I'm not at my office. Right now I'm only going sourcing once a week. I'm trying to make that twice a week. But again, I can't really tell you what works for your business. That's just what works for me. Next question, have you noticed the prices in your thrift store going up, or am I the only one? Melissa, you are not the only one. Yes, thrift store prices have gone up. They have. I think I told you guys in a previous video that I used to find Miss Me jeans all the time. I would get so excited because I love selling Miss Me jeans. And then one day I looked at my thrift store on their wall, their front wall. I had like 10 pairs of Miss Me jeans on the wall. I'm like, what the fuck? So I went up to them and they were marked at $40. One pair was $45. Yeah, it's just crazy. Thrift stores are definitely taking note. I saw something on Instagram last week, I think it was, or a couple days ago. Somebody was like, stop tagging thrift stores in your Instagram posts. You know, like if you do a haul, you know, stop tagging Goodwill in your haul because Goodwill has people that will like, I think they do. I really think they do. I think they have people that scour social media. Yeah, there's a couple people on Instagram that were mad. They're like, stop tagging the thrift stores. It's like, I don't really think that's 100% the reason why shit's going up. I know some people will be like, it's Biden's fault. It's Biden's fault, which you fucking like just stop. I think it's just inevitable. The prices will go up. But yes, I have noticed it. Does it suck? Yes. I was talking to my husband about this the other day. He sells mainly shoes, and at the thrift store that we were at, it was just crazy. Like you couldn't find a pair for under like $15.99. Like it was crazy. When pairs are usually like $4.99, $6.99, $8.99, maybe like a $9.99 if it's really nice. But they had like shitty ass shoes tagged for like $15.99, $17.99. It's like, what the fuck? Yeah, it's definitely happening everywhere. I have seen other resellers on YouTube talk about it. I don't really think there's much you can do. I mean, yeah, okay, you can stop tagging these thrift stores in your posts, but they're not going to be like, oh, okay, we're going to mark our prices down now. My husband's theory is that if people stop buying things at like higher prices, like say you're a shoe reseller and you know, you stop buying shoes at the higher price, then they'll see like their monthly numbers and be like, oh, we didn't sell that many shoes this month. Maybe we'll mark them down, which I mean, that's just his theory. I don't know. Definitely happening everywhere. It totally sucks. And I don't really think there's much we can do about it, unfortunately. Okay, last question. I like this. It says, tell me a secret. And I'm like, what kind of secret do they want to know? They want to know a secret about me. I ain't giving my secrets out. I ain't telling you guys my secrets. But I will tell you a secret about reselling. So when you go on Instagram and, you know, you see those pictures, those package pictures, someone will have a friggin' whole like cart full of packages or a whole friggin' USPS dolly full of packages. Just know that it doesn't necessarily mean that they made a shit ton of money. Don't compare yourself to people that post things like that because, again, it doesn't necessarily mean that they made a lot of money. For example, I'm going to say this. I'm not shitting on these people. I'm just going to say it because I say things, and I keep it real, and these people aren't really keeping it real. It's kind of misleading. Okay, so there are shoe resellers, Ryan and Lindsay. Their names are Rinzy. I have met them a couple times. Super nice people, super nice. I'm not shitting on them. They sell a lot of shoes. They do. They totally do. Over this past weekend, they sold like 100 pairs in a day. Go through their solds, like 80% of the shoes that they sold over the weekend, they sold for $19. They're probably making like $5 or $6 off each one of those pairs of shoes because their buy cost is like $8 or $9, sometimes $10. So if you're selling it for $19, then taking away the Poshmark fee, you're making like $5 or $6. So yeah, just to kind of put things into perspective, just because you see someone sell a lot of things doesn't mean they're making a lot of money. They'll make it seem like they're making a lot of money, be like, oh, we sold 100 things today, but they won't tell you. I mean, you can do your own research. You can look through people's solds and see the prices that they sold things at. But yeah, it is kind of misleading in a way. I mean, again, I'm not shitting on them. You know, they want people to think that they sell a lot of shit. They do sell a lot of shit, but it's the prices that they sell the shit at. You know, that's kind of like the tricky part. They're not going to tell you, oh yeah, we ran like a huge sale and we marked these shoes like 40% off, because they usually sell shoes for like sachets. The tongue twister. They usually sell shoes for like $40, $50, like $30 to $50. So yeah, that's like 40-50% off. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with running a sale like that. But it is, you know, kind of misleading people into thinking that you're making like a shit ton of money. Because I feel like majority of people, if they see like a bunch of packages, you're gonna be like, oh wow, they made a lot of money. When in actuality, you don't know. You don't know. So yeah, there's a little secret for you. When you see people post a bunch of package pictures, don't necessarily assume that they're making a lot of money, because they could have run like a crazy ass sale. They could literally be making $5 to $6 off each item that they sold. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.